XRP is going to go to $100 this year. XRP can reach $100 this year if all of these banks start offering XRP trading to their clients. The XRP ETF is about to be approved. That's a very bullish catalyst. We have Ripple. They are going to be going public as a stock, a company. There are so many bullish catalysts for XRP and Ripple this year. And I really think I'm starting to get a lot more bullish than I was. You know, I was thinking $7, $20, $30. But XRP could potentially go to literally $100. Especially if these banks are literally going to be using XRP and replacing the old way of transferring money through SWIFT, which takes days, costs so much money, time, and energy. And they start switching over to Ripple, RLUSD, XRP to transfer and move money around. Do you have any idea the impact of the price of XRP will occur? If trillions of dollars are moving through XRP every day, it will quickly flip Ethereum and it's going to start heading towards the Bitcoin market cap. Do you guys think XRP is going to flip Bitcoin in the coming years? Bitcoin is the oldest, one of the oldest cryptos, and it's the most popular right now. But what I can tell you is if you look back in history, the companies like Apple or Amazon and many companies before them, they were number one. They were number one. Now they're no longer heard of or being used. Like MySpace. MySpace was the number one social media. Now nobody uses MySpace. Nobody even talks about MySpace. It's antiquated. There's so much more better technology and better platforms out there. And you now have Instagram and Twitter and YouTube, of course. The same thing I think is going to take place in the crypto market, and probably XRP might be that one. That's why people are so bullish on XRP, because they see what it actually is made to do and what it's being used for. In this video, we have so much to talk about for XRP, so make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and put an X in the comments below if you guys are a part of the XRP army. Let me know if you guys are here with me. There is a rumor that an emergency rate cut is going to be coming. This guy says tomorrow, and I don't think it's going to be tomorrow, but there could potentially be an emergency rate cut. And that means for XRP, it's going to start flying and going absolutely crazy. Look at this. Look at these search interests on Google keywords for XRP. It is skyrocketing to a level we have never seen before. This is incredible. We are nearly reaching all-time highs with search interest in XRP and the search interest of XRP. Even in 2021 and the other bull markets, 2018, XRP has not come anywhere near the search volume. When you have search volume this high, ladies and gentlemen, this is when prices do absolutely diabolical things, doing crazy things. This is very bullish. This is what we want to see. Google searches for buy XRP has skyrocketed. XRP will shock the entire planet soon. I literally have people calling me from all walks of life. Should I buy XRP? Should I buy XRP? Should I buy XRP? Guys, look at this. The Bitcoin bull run is likely close to over, says this trader, as XRP flips McDonald's. XRP has literally flipped McDonald's by market cap. That is absolutely insane. Something very interesting is now going on the charts with Bitcoin. Look at this. Bitcoin now forming a bull flag pattern, technically forming a bull flag pattern. And it looks like it might want to pull back just a little bit. If Bitcoin pulls back, and this will be about a 3% move, 3 to 5% move, Bitcoin could pull back. If this happens, this will provide an opportunity for you to get into XRP. Because if Bitcoin does end up pulling back here a little bit to this key level of 113, 112,000, XRP, if we take a look at it now, looking extremely bullish, by the way. I mean, this is something I want to show you guys right now. When you take a look at XRP, you can see here, when XRP starts to form another big leg up, what you're going to see is that these lows, they continually get higher. Look at what XRP is doing right now. If this continues to happen and Bitcoin continues to hold up strong, XRP is getting ready to make another move to about $5 or so, literally within just a matter of days. But if Bitcoin does pull back here in the next day or two, that means that we're probably going to get maybe a pullback to around 330 or less. You know, we could see this region here, or even this level here around 316. These are a couple little buying opportunities for you if we get them. Because what's likely to continue happening with XRP, it's likely to continue keep grinding up and pushing up because everyone's wanting to get in before this thing really starts to take off. Even ALGOSNIPER gave us a seller at the very top, ended up pulling back, and we got a buy alert just the other day, and now it's starting to move up higher. You guys can try ALGOSNIPER. This indicator will tell you exactly when to buy, when to sell for just $1 today. Look, the last buy alert was $2.20. Then you had $1.94. This thing is incredible. You go to algosniper.com for that. The stock market is continuing to push higher. This is very bullish. New all-time highs today with the stock market. I mean, everything is pushing up. Even gold is skyrocketing today, nearly $3,500. You guys are not ready for how high XRP is really going to be going. Let me know your price predictions for XRP in the comments. But most importantly, make sure you guys are in my Patreon so you know exactly when to buy and sell XRP. We've been trading the heck out of XRP. We've been buying since 40 and 50 cents, selling at the top, rebuying the bottom, and accumulating so many coins. We also do day trades and small other trades. So if you guys want to have access to that, join the Patreon right now. Make sure you guys are also trading over here on Blowfin. This is the platform where you can long and short cryptos, buy and sell cryptos with the cheapest and safest fees on the internet. They're also giving away a $10,000 deposit bonus if you sign up using my link below. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on. I'll see you later.